Namaste. Welcome to my channel Pearl Yoga 9. My name is Gunija. Today we are going to practice two hand strengthening exercise. So now the first practice, stand erect, legs slightly apart, stretch your hands at the level of your shoulders. Now stretch your right hand towards the right side. Here, do not lean your body. Your spine and the legs should be completely straight. After that, you can stretch your hand. Stay here for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, come to the center. Now stretch your left hand towards the left. 5 to 10 seconds. Feel the stretching. After that, come to the center. Now stretch your right hand. Stay for a while and feel the stretching. Then come to the center. Then stretch your left hand. Stay here for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, come to the center. You can do this practice 3 to 5 rounds. Now the second practice. Stand erect. Again, stretch your hands at the level of your shoulders. Here, move your hands in opposite direction like this. One hand is moving in the front. One hand is moving in the back. When you move front, you have to move properly, then you can feel the stretching. When you move back, you have to turn your hand completely towards the back. So in this way, you can do 10 to 20 rounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So please do these two practice regularly. It helps to reduce pain and numbness from your hands and improve the blood circulation. Thank you very much.